Hey guys, my name is Julie and I am a mom of 4. And as you can imagine, my house gets dirty really fast. And not just dirty, but like disorganized too. And so after several years of me like constantly trying to clean everything up always, and not just, clean, but also tidy, which I like tidying. Cleaning, I don't like so much. So we finally started a cleaning company, which has been amazing. My husband and I and our friends in the neighborhood. And so it's the best. They get to come every single week and they help me take care of my home so I can just do like little bit of tidying every single day, and then they come in and they do all of like the hard cleaning work, from the floors to the kitchen sinks, the bathrooms. They take care of everything, and it has just been so great. So I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of like what my weekly cleaning kind of looks like on days that our cleaning company comes. So my husband and I, when he's home, we both work together to tidy up the house. We'll get the kids involved. We get everything cleaned and ready, so like surfaces are cleaned off. And then the cleaning company comes in and they do their magic, and it's just awesome. So yeah, check this out and get a glimpse of what it's like to get to work with an awesome cleaning company every single week.